Check it out, guys. Let's go see what we got in this morning. Let's go take a look. Something new. Woo! Thing's bad. Come on in, take a look. We're gonna be doing a full wrap on it, changing his rim and tire package. We've got all kinds of ideas. We're still sitting down, contemplating what all we're gonna do. By the time it leaves, this vehicle will not be the same way that it is right now, guys. It's what we do down here at American Wheel and Tire. We can change any little detail on your vehicle. Come see us, customizations, everything. But yeah, we're super excited about this one, man. It's gonna be nice. All right, guys, so it's been about a week since my customer dropped off the Cybertruck. Get a quick little update and see what we've been doing. Come on back. That's where all the magic happens over here, guys. Come on inside. There she is. So we're just finishing up on the wrap. We went ahead and did a full matte green wrap on this thing, and I think it looks killer, guys. I mean, you tell me. Drop comments down below. You guys let me know what you guys think about the wrap. The quality on our wrap is top notch. I mean, my guys here do the best work, all of you down to the door jambs. Take a look at that, guys. Seamless. I mean, if I didn't know any better, this thing looked like it came out the factory just this color. And that's the point of what we do here, guys. We want to make your vehicle look like it just rolled out the factory. So right now we're actually in the process. We're just trying to figure out which wheels we're gonna put on it for the customer. We've got a couple different options. Definitely stay tuned, because within, I would say, even the day today, we're gonna be putting a new rim and tire package on this thing. All right, guys, so the wrap is done. Next step is we're heading over to the wheel shop. Stay tuned. Coming soon, baby. So we just finished up the green Tesla. We're gonna go give you guys a quick tour around it so you guys can take a look at all the changes we made to the vehicle. Cybertruck's ready, let's take a look at it. All right, so you guys remember how it came in, basic stock, nothing fancy about it other than it being a Cybertruck. But let's take a look at what we've done. So we got the full military green wrap. You guys saw that last time we were talking about it. But now we went ahead and put the Volsons. We got the HF64s on there. We got a Nitto setup on 285, 6520s. We did the brake calipers as well. We went ahead and did a gloss red for this customer.
And lastly, we did a 5% ceramic tint on all windows.
All right, guys, so this is the first of many builds that we're gonna be uploading. We got a lot of content coming through soon. So definitely comment down below. Let us know what you guys are interested in seeing. We do a lot of different things here at AWT, whether it be from our wheel and tire packages, suspension lifts, our wraps, PPF room. We got a lot of stuff we do here. Stay tuned, you guys, and I appreciate y'all checking us out.